poker face.
I mean, saying like a people, cause you got a peeper. I mean, you probably might be saying you ain't jocking either. But man, old girl got a fat old ass. Yeah, the type to make you tell a bitch just dance. And fuck them other niggas cause you down for her bitches. Fuck them other niggas cause she down for the sticking. And fuck them other niggas if she down for some licking. And fuck them other bitches cause she down for the tricking. I'm hoping she a rider. When it's said and done, she spit it up and swallow now. I ain't got a trip about them niggas who like her. Cause me and mommy know we can really make her go.
Poker face, poker face, poker face, poker face, poker face, poker face.